2, 3, 4. We're gonna learn to be happy, having fun with Mr. Oopy.
Hey kids, it's art and craft time with Mr. Oopy. We are going to be making animal sticks. You can also use them as bookmarks for when you are reading. We're going to make a tiger, a cow, and a pig. We will need the following: a white pencil or a lead pencil. Textors: black, yellow, and pink. 3 craft sticks that you can find from the craft shop. They are a little bit larger than the Icey Pole sticks. Glue, paper plate, and an Icey Pole stick for the glue. 3 coloured cards which we will draw the ears from. I have an orange card, a pink, and a black card. You would need scissors to cut out the ears, some googly eyes, and a nose, which you can use beads for. Ta-da! And there we have it. We are ready to make our animal sticks. Let's begin. First, we are going to make our friendly pig. Get your craft stick and colour it pink. Well done! Now let's draw our ears on the pink card. Mr. Oopy likes to use a pencil first, then go over it with a texter so it will be easier to see when cutting out. Great work! Pour some glue on your paper plate and glue the back of the ears, then on top of the craft stick. Really good! Now the googly eyes. Pour some glue on the back of the eyes and place them on the top of the craft stick. Excellent! And now the nose, which you can use a bead for or something else. Awesome! There's your pig. What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink! Let's move on to our next one. Let's make a cow. First, you will need your craft stick and a black texter. Create moon shapes on the craft stick and colour them in. Great! Get your black card and draw the ears. Mr. Oopy's using a white pencil so he can see when it's time to cut out the ears. Awesome! Yep, that looks good, Mr. Oopy. Well done, kids. Now let's add glue on the ears to the back of the craft stick. Good. Now the eyes. Place a little bit of glue on the back of the eyes and stick them on the craft stick. Now the nose. Dip it in the glue. And there we have it. Wait for the glue to dry before you can play with it. Ta-da! What sound does a cow make? Moo! 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 Last one. We are going to be making a tiger. First up, get your craft stick and colour it yellow. Great! We have our black texture and let's create stripes. Good! We have a yellow card and let's draw the tiger ears. And go over it with a texter if you like. And it's time to cut out the ears. Great, that's looking good. Let's put some glue on the ears and stick it to the back of the craft stick. Great! Now the eyes. Put some glue on the eyes as well and stick it to the craft stick. Now the nose. Let's get our bead, put some glue on the bead and stick it to the craft stick. Let's get our black texter and draw some whiskers. Looking great, well done! There's our tiger. What sound does a tiger make? Roar! Roar! It's a big roar. Well done! There we have it. Our 3 animal sticks. Our tiger, cow and pig. Well done! Mr. Oopy is very proud of you. You did such great work. Until next time, it's bye for now from Mr. Oopy. Oh, remember to like, subscribe and share!